All right, we need to add and subtract radical expressions. Add and subtract radical expressions. So let's use this one as an example. Now, first, preliminary, or coming into this, I am assuming that you know how to factor. Okay, assuming you know how to do prime factorization. Okay? So I'm not going to go over that. There's a link, hopefully on this video, where if you need help on prime factorization and how that works, watch that video first before you do this, because I'm not going to go through that. I'm just going to go to the factors right away. So anyway, so we have 2 times the cube root of 54 minus 4 times the cube root of 16 plus the cube root of 375. Now you're going to need to do your factoring down to your prime factors. And when you do that, you will end up with this. Cube root and 54 will end up being 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 minus 4 cube root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and plus cube root of, double check, remember, 3 times 5 times 5 times 5. If you're asking, well, where did you get those numbers from? Go back and watch the video for prime factorization. I'm not going to do that right now. So, assuming you have to make sure you know this, again, math always comes back. Always comes back. So you have to master that first. We've already also done this before, where is it a square root or is it a cube root? If it's a square root, we box the doubles. If it's a cube root, we box the triples. This is a cube root, so I'm going to box the triples. And then I circle what remains. Box the triples, circle what remains. Circle what remains, box the triples. So I know, okay, when I box the triples, cube root, whatever's in the box, that goes on the outside. So now this becomes 2 times 3 cube root of whatever is left, which is 2, minus 4, this comes out times, I have a box of triple 2's, so that comes out and it's a 2, because that's the cube root of 8, just like that is the cube root of 27, and I still have a 2 remaining here. Here, I have a box of triple 5's, so that's the cube root of 125, which is 5. So that goes out, and it's only 1 out here, so it's just 5. And you have the cube root this time of 3. So now I have 2 positive 2 times positive 3, so that's 6 cube root of 2, cube root of 2, minus 4 times 2 is 8 cube root of 2. And we should just bring that down, 5 cube root of 3. Now, similarly to when you have variables that are the same, like if I had 6a back in the day, you had 6a minus 8a, well, that would be negative 2a, because it's the same variable. Okay, so you can combine like terms, they're like terms. Hey, well, guess what? You have radical expressions which are like terms. So in this case, I have a cube root of 2 and a cube root of 2. So in this case, it's 6 minus 8, so it's still negative 2. but instead of negative 2a, it's negative 2 cubed of 2. And this stays the same. Cube root of 3. And there you go. And that's it. Again, remember, gotta know your factors. Now prime factor.